In Santa Cruz, California 95060, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is a dependable plumbing choice. They are well known for providing a broad range of plumbing services, such as sewage line repairs, drain cleaning, and water heater installs. Are you looking for a plumber near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. How does a plumber help you? A plumber, such as those at Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment in Santa Cruz, California 95060, offers crucial services to guarantee the plumbing system in your house or place of business operates as it should. Plumbers are skilled in identifying and resolving a wide range of plumbing problems, from small leaks and clogged drains to more difficult tasks like installing water heaters, repairing sewage lines, and performing comprehensive system maintenance. How important is a plumber? Any home's plumbing system needs a plumber to be kept in good working order. Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment skilled plumbers in Santa Cruz, California 95060 ensure that businesses and residents receive first-rate plumbing services that are tailored to their particular needs. Where is your service area? The communities of Santa Cruz, Soquel, Capitola, Scotts Valley, Aptos, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Morgan Hill, Marina, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, Gilroy, and San Jose are among the California towns that Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is happy to serve. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located? We are located at 303 Potrero St. Suite 198, Santa Cruz, CA 95060, United States. Our phone number is 831-999-2029. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Santa Cruz Plumbing Draining Water Heater Repair/